Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Tuxedo Matchbox gift for Father's Day with a special message inside. I have written, "Dad, you are my hero, happy Father's Day." So let's start. First, to make this, take a matchbox and then cut out a rectangle from white sheet like this. Apply some glue here and then stick it. You should also cut out a strip of colored sheet that is 4 times the width of your matchbox. Now stick this on the back side. Like this. Now fold it and then wrap it around the box like this. Now take your scale, place it here, take your pencil and mark the center like this, and then draw a line. Now take your scissors and cut it. Like that. And then fold it out to make the collar. Like this. And now put some glue that and then stick it. Now cut off the excess. Like this. Now you should cut out a bow from colored paper, and for the buttons you should cut out 2 circles. I have used glitter foam sheet. You can also use colored sheet. Now should stick the bow here like this. Some glue here and then stick it. And then stick the buttons like this. like this, and now allow it to dry. Take out the inner part. Now cut out a sheet that will fit inside like this and press it like this, and then fold it like that. Fold the whole thing. That. Now fold it like this. And then place it in. Like this. If you want to write a longer message, you can take a lengthier strip. Now write the message. You write, I love you, Dad. Then Happy Father's Day. Now I will decorate it with some stickers. Like that, and also put this sticker here like that, and now apply some glue here and then stick it. Place it inside. Now put it inside this, and there we have finished making the tuxedo gift. It was really easy making this, wasn't it? You can make this for your father and give it to him on Father's Day. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.